Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I have the new KKW X Kylie Jenner perfumes. So I do have all three and I wanted to just quickly tell you guys which one is my favorite, which one, if any, I am not too crazy about. So let's just jump in today's video. Now, I am actually going to start off with my personal favorite of the three. And surprisingly enough, my favorite is actually the Nude Lips. I didn't think I was gonna like this one at all because this one does have like a vanilla smell. And I'm not too crazy about vanilla, especially not in a perfume. I was a little hesitant to get it. I think Kylie said this one was her favorite, and I was like, well, if it's her favorite, it's probably not what I'm imagining. I imagine like a vanilla candle, and that is not what this smells like at all. It does have like a sweet hint of vanilla, but it doesn't smell like a candle, so that's good. You're not gonna walk around smelling like a candle. So this one is my personal favorite. It does smell really good, and I will say this one lasts a really long time. So I will spray this in the morning, and when I get home in the afternoons, I can still smell this one on me. It's super long lasting, and I have gotten quite a few compliments when I wear this one. Now we're gonna talk about my second favorite of three, which is this one. This one I have only worn twice. And in the two times that I've worn it, I will say this one just doesn't last that long. And this smells so familiar. Oh, I know which one. This smells like, because it has gardenia in it. So it smells like her gardenia. I think that's what it's called. Let me see. This is what it smells like. Yes, they actually smell really similar. So when I first smelled this one, I was like, where have I smelled this? I feel like this smells like her body one, but no, it smells a lot like this one. And I think this one is gardenia. Yeah, it's crystal gardenia. So these two smell really similar, but I will say this one does not have the same longevity as this one. This one will last all day and they smell almost identical. So I mean, if you have this, you don't really need this. So I wish I would have known that, and I wouldn't have purchased this one. Okay, now we're gonna get into the pink lips. I actually thought this one was going to be my favorite because I believe this is the one that has coconut in it. This one to me actually kind of stinks. I don't really smell the coconut. I'm actually gonna spray this. It's just not my favorite, and that's what really sucks about these. Like, I wish that we could get like a sample of them to see which one we liked, because it sucks to buy one and not like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Now that I've sprayed it, it smells like orange. Like, I just don't like this one. This is my least favorite of the three. To me, I personally don't really smell the coconut. I don't know if my nose is just all jacked up and I just can't smell it. I don't like it. It smells really powdery to me. Oh my God, it smells so bad. But yeah, so I personally don't like this one. If you have this one, let me know in the comments down below if you like it. Maybe I just got like a defective one. I know these perfumes were supposed to come out maybe like a month or so ago and something was wrong in the factory, but this one smells really bad. To sum it up, Nude Lips, my favorite. Smells so good. Smells really clean. Smells vanilla-y, but not too vanilla-y. Smells really good. I really like this one. This one smells just like her crystal gardenia one, so if you already have it, I personally wouldn't get this one. But if you want the crystal gardenia, then I would get the lips, because this one cost a little bit more than this one. And I know that we're talking about the lips, but since I picked this one up, I will say I think the bottle is pretty cute because it, you know, it's supposed to look like a stone, but it really sucks to like try to put this along with the rest of my perfumes. I wish it just stood. Like I wish this part was flat so it could stand, because it doesn't stand, so I had to lay it down, and it just ends up taking a little bit more space than I'd like. So packaging is cute, but it's a no for me. And then this one just straight up stinks. I'm sorry. Just smells like, I don't know, it smells really bad. So yeah, no. If I had to recommend one, it'd be this one. So now let's talk about the price point of these. These all retail for $40. I did get the bundle for all three. I think it was like $98 for the three of them. So that's, you know, I definitely could have saved money if I could have gotten like a sample of them and smelled them before I committed to buying them. But this is truly and honestly the only one that I regret getting, so it's a bummer, but it is what it is. If you have these and you bought them, let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, which one you liked, which one you maybe didn't like, if you love them all. Heck, I don't know. Just let me know in the comments down below. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.